All right.
Hi guys, Tamara Lankowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and we are going to make the best strawberry waffle you've ever had, okay? First, I got the Baker's Basic Cake Mix. By the way, this waffle is going to be 148 calories, 16 grams protein, 3 net carbs, and only 4 grams of fat, okay? And the only extra carbs that we're gonna add to it is the little bit of strawberries that we add to it. So what I got is my Baker's Basic. I put this little thing in a cereal bowl. You can buy them in bulk bags too instead of single servings. I add a 1/4 cup of egg whites to it, 2 tablespoons of plain non-fat Greek yogurt, and we are going to add, this is optional. I personally prefer it, but you can add a 1/4 teaspoon of strawberry extract. Extracts work great with these mixes because then you can make them taste like even more like the real thing. They honestly already taste like the real thing, but for example, I won't eat cornbread because it's super high in carbs, but I have a cornbread extract that I put in my bread and it tastes just like cornbread. And so you want to get used to using extracts. So this is the strawberry mix. Just one minute. Keep recording. Keep recording and I'll edit it when you're done. And then I got my waffle maker here and it's nice and hot. I'm gonna spray it. And we are gonna pour this into the waffle maker. Spread it out. And see how one mix will make one good sized waffle. Okay guys? We're gonna give it a minute to cook and we'll be back. Okay. Should I teach them how to make the cream cheese frosting too? Do we have cream cheese frosting or? And I'll put some strawberries on it.
She's not good at this. Okay. We're not doing a class next week. Please stay tuned for tomorrow. She exploded some strawberries.
See if it'll explode now. Okay, now I'm gonna flip my waffle maker. Let's see how it turns out.
Abraham. Yeah, you want to probably stand back.
Just don't videotape all this, please. Alrighty guys, we got our waffle. Let me get my gloves on. If you like your waffles crispy, you can always make this ahead of time and refrigerate it, and then you can toast it. So that's how you can get it crispy. Okay, how am I going to get this out? There we go. And we're going to put some cream cheese frosting on it. I have a recipe to show you guys how to make cream cheese frosting. And frozen strawberries, I just microwaved them. And there you go, guys, delicious strawberry waffle. That's all protein, low carb, low calorie. The only fat in here is the little bit in the cream cheese frosting, guys. You can literally eat this night and day and lose weight. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of whipped cream to it. And we're gonna serve it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Be sure to come see us. We're in the Davison Farmers Market Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. And be sure to visit healthytreatsmarket.com for more recipes and to place an order. Thanks for watching.